Hi, this is Master Ken. In my book, Excel Before 50, what it takes for a person to excel before 50, it has to develop excellent problem solving mindset. It's not an option. But the question is that everyone wants to have this excellent problem solving mindset, mind. But how to develop? Everyone wants a result. But how to develop? You have to do something that you just not used to, that you just think is not related. What does it mean? Well, for example, it said, how about this? Uh, this morning I just do this. Okay, what? A chicken that can jump. So what? So what? Makes not much sense, right? Well, yeah, but if you are not the green hats, yes, you are. You would think about that. But that's exactly. You say you want to develop a excellent problem solving mindset, then you have to adapt. You have to say something suitable for a new use, a new purpose, or the new purpose. So, for example, this is a game. I mean, you are quite familiar with it. So, a game is the purpose is for a game. But an excellent problem mindset tells you that this can be used more than the game. So, what can you do with it? It's just the same as that when you have a lemon, what can you do with the lemon? When you want an orange, but you are given a lemon, what can you do with it? You have to think about it. You are given the ability to solve problem, not as it seems to be, the obvious one. No, you can adapt. You must believe that you are given the talent, the ability to adapt. If not, you won't survive here. You have to make something suitable for a new use, a new purpose. And you can. You can. You just have to believe that you can. Spend some time doing something that is not used to be. Right? Think about it. And that's if you can do this consistently every week, spend some time doing something that is so irrelevant, and perhaps you can discover that you have an excellent problem solving. The only thing that you have a problem solving mindset, excellent problem solving, is that you have problems, and problems is everywhere, and you have tons of it every day. So go and solve it and develop your excellent problem solving mindset. Thank you. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for giving me ability, the stronger problem solving mind to solve problem in my life and my student life. Thank you.